guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add tracks for fullness and length to the natural hair and what you should do before adding tracks to the natural hair. So the first thing you have to do, you have to find out from your client how she wants the hair, where she wants the path, how many lines she wants to put in. Check if the scalp is in good condition. Find out if your client is going to pack the hair into ponytail sometimes. So if you want to see how I would do this, watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe. The large hair you see now is just me getting the hair out of the way so I can start with my cornrows. It's time for me to plait the cornrow, but I'm not going to pat the hair straight. I'm going to follow the hairline so the hair will look flat when she pat it into ponytail. When braiding the cornrow, make sure the extension you use is the same color as the natural hair. This will make the hair look natural and professional. I'm plaiting the cornrow now. I'll plait the both sides, and when I get to the middle, I'll secure it with the extension and sew it with the thread. Here I'm using the extension to secure the braid, making sure that it's well secured and cut off the excess. And be careful not to cut the real hair. Sew the ends of the cornrow, make sure they are well secured and be careful not to pull the hair. I'm going to be using my old hair to demonstrate to you in this video. Always make sure to use the same color of extension with your natural hair. So before I sew the hair, I will use the hair to check the length of the cornrow just to make sure the length is the same with the cornrow. Secure the weft and start sewing and use the same method when you get to the end. So the first line is done and I covered it with a natural hair before doing another cornrow. This is the method I'm going to be using throughout this hair. Just to let you know what I'm doing, after sewing in the tracks, you have to cover it with a natural hair before moving on to do another cornrow. And this is the method I'm going to be using throughout the hair. So this is the second line now. This is the third line and I will be doing the last line now. So this is the hair after putting in 4 lines. You can see how natural they look. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.